Hello, I am Ekta, and this video is for those parents whose kids are facing difficulty in clarity of words. Some words are not clear, they are not able to speak properly. So for those kids, you need to do some blow exercise. These exercise will help them to strengthen the muscles, which will help them to have a clarity of words. So I have designed few activity which you can do at home with the material available at home, and these are very interesting for kids. So shall we start? First activity with the paper cup. This is the simple paper cup, and this is the gloves. So what I have done, I have put the gloves here, I have put the sellotape here, I have put one hole and I have inserted one straw inside. So now see. This required a lot of effort to make it work. So kids will enjoy that. This activity is very interesting, and if you start doing with your kid, definitely kid will enjoy this activity. Second is, I have taken again one paper cup. I have colored it. I have put some smiley face here to make it more interesting. So suppose this is my target area. You can do this activity on the floor also. You have to make it start point and end point. It's like a race. Kid has to blow it. So it's quite interesting for a kid to do that. And if you want to make it a little harder, you can put some paper inside. Take a newspaper, crush it and keep it inside. So it will be a little harder to blow. So like that you can make a little difficult for this activity for a kid, so that they will use more muscles while blowing. One more simple activity, which I have taken one box. I have put it ulta. This is ulta box. I have fixed one more extra box here. So whatever will blow, it will collect here. It's easy to then collect here, so that the mess will not happen around. Otherwise again you need to clean it. So here I have put one colorful paper. I have folded these edges. So this whatever I am blowing, it will not cross this. So suppose if I am having some colorful paper here, and we need to tell kids to blow, and it should reach here. It should not cross it. So they will understand in what pressure they have to blow. If they blow harder, it will just cross. So like that. So this is very interesting. You can plan this activity at home, and it will be very interesting for a kid. And last activity, this is a glass bottle. In that I have put some colorful paper. If you have a thermocol balls, you can use those balls. I didn't have, so I didn't use it. This activity will look good and interesting with thermocol balls. So just to say, or just to see this, put some colorful paper and let's start. Like that. So this is also a blowing activity which will require a lot of effort to blow. So you can do this with kids. Try this activity at home and try regularly. So with the time you will start seeing the change. Take care.